morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6, which means it's churro waffle day. Look at this. Churro waffles. So apparently on your last sea day, they have churro waffles and cabanas. So for this cruise, it is on day 6, which is our sea day, and then we're at Castaway. The cruise I was on before, on the Magic, was a 5-night, and they did it on day 4, and then because that was our sea day, and then Castaway. So it's basically just your last sea day, they will have churro waffles. Look how cute their little faces are. That is good. The only way that I can explain these churro waffles is they're literally a waffle and a churro mixed together. It's a churro waffle. It's basically what it said. Anyways, these churro waffles are really good, and they are definitely worth trying. Like, they are really, really, really good. And you can, I don't know if I've ever seen them in Disney parks. I've only ever seen them on the cruise. Maybe they're in the parks too, but if you see these, definitely try them out because they are really good.
You may use whatever you would like to get your baby from one end to the other. You may use baby's favorite person, Mom. You may use baby's favorite toy. You only cannot use food. This is for crawling babies and crawling babies only. So Sherma is going to demonstrate and be our incredible crawling baby. So what's going to happen is your baby is going to start crawling across the mat, going to crawl its way to victory. But if at any point your baby decides now is the perfect time to put one foot on the floor, followed by a second foot, we will laugh with you, we will cheer with you, we may even shout, and then we will disqualify you. Crawling babies only. Everybody bow. Yes, amazing. Oh, it's time to raise those babies! And they're off. Then they're off. And they're still off.
Super speed.
Baby number 1 has no idea what's happening. Number 2 has decided to go the wrong way. It's neck and neck! It's neck and neck! Oh, what a race! It was so close! For Jack's incredible diaper dash, I've been your host, Emily. That's been Sherma. We will see you all around this.
Okay, we're gonna go do towel folding. Got our towels.
You ready? We're gonna make a swan. That's the first one we're gonna make a swan. The towel gonna be like this. And then you're gonna utilize your chin. Because you are sitting down, so it's gonna be a little bit complicated, but you're gonna do it. Trust me. Underneath your chin in the middle, you're gonna squeeze it and you're gonna roll it tight. If you have beards, guys, I'm sorry. But this is what it's gonna be, okay? Ready? Finish? This is the first part. Not yet? Spread it out like this, and then you're gonna roll from the bottom to the middle and from the top to the middle. Okay, you're gonna make a stroke. So you're gonna go from the bottom to the middle. And from the top to the middle. You're gonna bend it, you're gonna bend it, you're gonna bend it. Ooh. So neat and hard to bend. You bend it, right? Evenly, right? Yes. You're gonna turn it around. You're gonna put it flat on the surface next to you. And you see the two top. Ready again, watch me. 1, 2. You got it now, right? Not yet? Who got it? Who don't got it? You got it? You all got it, right, okay. You're gonna flip it over like this. Flip it. Ah, you got it. Okay, you're gonna put your hands on both ends and you're gonna lift it up like this. We're gonna fly, yeah? Trust me. You're gonna feel the ship move. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go like this. Ooh, and then you're gonna come over here next to this one, and then you're gonna bend it like this. And then you're gonna land it right here. Right on top of the, hey, go right here like this. Ooh, like this. Ooh, ooh.
You're welcome.
If sunglass here, then you get Clifford the big red dog. Ooh, right here.
Put my sunglasses on.
Put it there. Put it there. You got it. You got it. See? Perfect.
Every time you take.
You can make another one? Another monkey here. You see that? Okay.
That's our chicken.
You got it.
Monkey.
Okay.
Okay, towel floating was super fun, and now we have this to take with us. Now we can make towel animals at home. And they have all of the instructions, which is nice. And then we got some room service as a snack. The wings are always my sister's favorite. They're so good. Room service is free, but tips are always appreciated. Alright guys, so we're gonna go walk on the track. We're gonna do just a little bit of walking, and then I think we're gonna go and grab some coffee. So yeah, we're gonna go walk on the track, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of it. Do 2.5 laps, that is what equals a mile.
Hi, Freddie. You wanna look? You guys wanna look?
If you didn't know, there is water filler stations. Alrighty, we're gonna go to the D Lounge now. We're gonna go check out the DVC club. We're gonna go and figure that out, see what it's all about. Okay, so instead of going to Cabanas, we just decided to get a whole assortment of food on the deck. Got pizza, burgers, all sorts of stuff.
Sports basketball, 2 players, select stage. How did she get?
Okay, we're gonna go and try Sweet on You. Instead of getting regular ice cream, we're gonna get fancy ice cream. Okay, we got pineapple coconut ice cream, and we got this cute little red velvet cone. Excited to try it. Looks so good. Okay, let's try this. This is really good. I think this is my new favorite. It's like pineapple and coconut. It's really good. Now let's see if I can try the cone. It kind of tastes like red velvet. It kind of just tastes like a cone though, but it's super pretty and cute. I like this. Cheers. So after ice cream, we came back to the room and kind of just like hung out a bit and did some editing and stuff like that. But now I'm ready for dinner. Here's the outfit for tonight. I have this 2-piece, it's like a skirt and a top. I got it from Amazon about like a month ago, I think. Yeah, it was like a month ago, and I've never worn it, so I was like, I have to wear it while I'm on this cruise. Like, it's cute, and I have never worn it before. But then I put my hair, I have it crimped with it like half up, and then I have like Aurora Borealis jewelry, and Bought it back. Look at how cute it is. Look at the glitter. I've been eyeing the
satchel you have there.
Thank you. Alright, so now after dinner we're gonna go play Shuffleboard. We haven't played this the entire cruise. We love this game. So we have to go and play it. I love playing Shuffleboard, especially on a cruise. It's super fun. You get to like see the water and stuff. But the best time to do it is at night when it's not super hot. There's a little bit more of a breeze. It's still hot, but it's not super hot. And there's not a lot of people. There will be people walking back and forth, like cast and crew members and stuff like that. And a couple people walking on the track, but there's not many people there, like at all. So it's perfect. He's so cute.
Will be the day that I take away yours.
I want an ice cream cone. They've closed down one side, but hopefully the other one will be fine. Yeah, give me a cone. Oh, fancy. Thank you. Apparently they closed the one side, but the other side's still open. So I had to get the last ice cream. Here is our towel animal for tonight. It's a monkey, I think. It's kind of creepy, this one. It's kind of cute. Our other ones are gone though. Cleo and Kevin are destroyed. They used it to make the chicken. Poor Cleo. But the octopus stayed. So I mean, at least we have one. But yeah, that is kind of all of today. I had a lot of fun, and the Mickey churro waffles today, those were amazing. Those were really, really good. I definitely recommend trying them if you're on this cruise or any cruise. Definitely look and make sure that you can find them and try them. They are so good. You definitely don't want to miss out. But yeah, that was kind of all of day 6. I cannot believe that tomorrow is day 7, but I'm super excited to go to Castaway. It's gonna be so much fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see more of my adventures, subscribe down below and hit the notifications button to get notified when I post a new video. Bye guys!